Hello everybody and welcome to the show. And this is not working. And the music is still playing. Stop it, stop it, stop it. This is not working. There we go. Here on the Whale Tech channel we make sure absolutely nothing works before we hit go live. But anyway, hello everyone, welcome to the stream. We're going to be continuing from where we left off. So I have nothing else to say than let's just get started. First of all, we're not going to be doing this over SSH. We're going to be doing this over capture card because I have, well, I should really say the beaner on this, on the computer. BGR3. Why do you not work? UY112, YV112, what does this even mean? Okay. Okay then, we are going to be doing this over SSH, because the beaner. Yay, capture card. I'm going to try fix the capture card. Is the capture card even connected? Hello, I'm Haytham Rogers. Ow. Yeah, the capture card is connected. Let's see, can I get a video on the capture? Oh, I got a video! I got a video! See, look, this is the capture computer. There you go, there's the capture computer. So we're going to go back here, delete the video capture device, add a new video capture device, add the capture card. Bam! We have the capture card. Copy. Transform, paste. Look at that. Everything works. Remove that, and now we have a capture card. Okay then, so let's open up LibreWolf. Put that there. Go on to linuxfromscratch.org. So, LFS, read online, stable LFS system D. And I'm already logged in with LFS and all that, so we don't have to do that. We're going to go to core utils. So I fixed the bash, not, oh, and I just realized I need to do the ping. No thank you. Who pinged me in media? I would take that any day. Oh yeah, 23 degrees. Anyway, notify video uploads. Paste in the link. There we go. Let's also get the music back, but make it slightly quieter. There we go. Now, core utils. Oh, and I actually have a mouse connected. Oh, and if I press this button on my mouse, I get a terminal. Thought that was kind of cool, so I thought I'd share it. Anyway, cd core utils. Now I prepare core utils for compilation. Shove that over there. Okay, this is really, I can't see chat. It's gonna get up to 33 for me though, well, 34. Oh my gosh. Hello Whale Tech, hello Talker Cube. How's it going? 34 Celsius. Yeah, I think he's saying 34 Celsius. And hello, Lollapaloozas. Okay, now we make install. Now we do that. And moving on to diff utils. Diff utils. just gonna type in make in there and make install, because with bash, that's how that works. I was just notified you were live, and I was like, sweet, can't wait to chill it up and watch Linux. Well, yeah. Anyway, how's this Mac going? Okay, yeah, that computer's frozen. By the way, I am currently in the middle of filming a video on installing macOS Tahoe on my 2011 Mac Mini. Just thought I'd give you a little sneak peek there for the... I should stop talking. Now, file! Now we... BAP. Yeah, it's quite awesome, but it would be even more awesome if it actually worked, because right now it's not. Not gonna lie, I don't like the whole 26 rebrand. No, I actually kind of like the whole 26 rebrand because... Oh, yeah. Well, yeah, I do like the whole 26 rebrand. Oh, gosh, what? Warning. Oh, that is... Warning. Warning. Yep, no errors. We're fine. Remove the libtool archive because it's harmful. Find utils. cd .. find utils. Oh, hello, Caden. However pronounced, like, whatever. Oh, and also I removed all the Mario 64 music from the playlist, and now we have 50 new tracks. So, how are you today? I'm good. How about you? And the glass so far is really unoptimized. Yeah, I have my iPhone 11 here with iOS 26. It looks... I actually quite like the liquid glass, but I kind of like it. But not my favorite kind of thing. What music was added? Well, I had to name them 1.opus, 2.opus, 3.opus, 4.opus, and so on and so forth. So I don't know what one's what, but I can look at my music playlist if I go back on my main display. That was slow. That was a slow transition. Anyway, Welltech Stream BGM. Here's the whole playlist. There's the playlist. Oh no, there's staff rolling. Well, it should be fine. Anyway, back to the capture. That is still really slow. Capture stream. Why don't you upload it to whaleted.c? Oh yeah, because I don't really want to redistribute Nintendo music just as its own. So, what are the BGM for your videos? Well, I have them based on basically mood. Title card. So here's the confused, it's not, hello 32-bit panda. Here's the confused, or it's not working folder. And this is the music, and this is the song that's currently playing. Oh gosh, that's loud. It's working has a lot of really joyful music. Normal is neutral, and time-lapse is really fast-paced music for... You can't see a thing! I just realised you cannot see. So here's the confused folder. This is the song that's currently playing. This one is really joyful music for when stuff is working. This one's just neutral. And this one's really fast-paced music for time-lapses. Anyway... First, ensure some unneeded files are not installed. Yeah, perfect. As we need. Oh, yay! Thanks for the reactions. Make and make install. Okay, yeah, I think, oh gosh, I spilled a little bit. Spilled a drop or two of water, but that's fine. Anyway, grep. Prepare grep. Have you used the Acer Aspire X143? You forgot to make install. I didn't. Here, look, I'm gonna CD grep. See, look, I make installed GOG. I know what I'm doing. And I just make installed this. So I entered, configured, make install. Yep, there we go. Gzip. I copy and make install, I paste and make install and hit enter so that it runs after that command is done. Oh, now we're making. And make install, bam. Oh! We're making make. We are using make to make, everybody. Alright, and we got the Wii Sports Resort music as well. Make. I don't think this is copyrighted. Alright, well, we're using make to make. If that made any sense. Making make with make. Yes, I'm pinning that. Pin. Yeah. Do you know what? I actually tried to make Bash on Fedora and it didn't work. So then I tried it. Why do you have the Control-C at the end of the lines? Because I type in. Because I check what command I just typed in, and because I don't want to execute it, I just Control-C. Anyway, well, we're done with make, so we patch the patch, make the patch, and we install the patch. Cat home generic the B-movie script. Good old B-movie script. Anyway, sed. Oh, hello, hello, Get Sniped 2011. Fedora was good for me for like 2 weeks, but after that it got really repetitive. Yeah. I do love Fedora. I used to main Fedora before I mained Arch. And now I main Gentoo. But yeah, Fedora's good. I tried to do the LFS process on Fedora and it complained about, oh yeah, hot patching is a lifesaver. It complained about, I think my compiler was too new, so I ran a Debian stable, this is about to get really messy here, a Debian stable Podman container. It worked, but I couldn't get it off there. Gigatech moment, yeah. Anyway, what am I doing? Oh yeah, compiling sed. So yeah, I made a Debian stable Podman container and compiled it, but I couldn't get it to install on the Fedora. So then I just partitioned up my disk and dual booted Fedora and Debian. And I'm right now using the Debian to, this song is from Gigatech BG, and what even is this? Is the 3DS friendless music, I think. Ever tried Tumbleweed? No. Oh, I think I did try to install Tumbleweed on stream, but it took forever, and if you remember, that was a stream where you probably know what happened if you watched it, but I'll recap anyway. that was a stream where I had some little issues and I couldn't continue. Not like issues as in actual physical issues with me. Something was wrong with me. The episode of water. I think that was the... Anyway, I think that was it. X. Who the flip just pinged my phone? Who just tried to call me? Oh! You gotta love the swap note. You gotta love the swap note music. Oh, is it done? They want to talk to you about your car's extended. No, it's just a friend calling me. Bin utils again. RM-RF build BUILD pick up oh yeah, no, I'm not picking up, thank you. I'm not picking up. I am not picking up the phone. Why? Because, well, I am in the middle of a live stream. I do not want to be on a phone call. Besides, I don't... The Nintendo DS series was amazing. Yeah, the DS series was actually good. Oh, hello. And Mac. I use Arch, by the way. I used to use Arch, by the way, but I now use Gen 2, by the way. Whale Tech, you don't know what to do. What do you mean? I know what to do. Oh yeah, they made a gimmick useful. Wait, what do I do? In what context? In what context? I don't know what to do. What context? I use Firefox on PC and Safari. Wait, I mean, I don't know what to do. What do you mean he doesn't know what to do? Ah, that's what I'm asking him. He's been calling me for... He's been calling 5 times now. I put the wrong thing. What wrong thing did you put? Gen 2? How much time do the things take to compile? No, I use bin host, so it's not, Stop calling my man. Stop calling my man Whale Tech. Yeah, please stop calling me. You know I'm not gonna pick up, because I'm in the... Text him, hey, ain't up to it, streaming right now. No, he's right now listening to me. Right now, he's in my chat. He can hear me. I'm in chat. Yeah, he's in chat. He can hear me. And what have I just done? Oh yeah, I need to remove the lib tool. I'm Whale Tech's friend. Yes, you are. Whale Tech gets sniped, just missed a word in their message, changing up the entire context of it. Who's the... Oh, it's someone else. Subscribers. Oh, I have 1,290. GCC. Do you know what? This one's going for too long. I'm changing this. Shuffle. Not 10 more. I got like 5 more because it only updates. YouTube only updates it once every 10 subscribers. Well, I have an exact count. So it's 5 more since I 3, 4, 5 more since the last stream. Anyway, RM-RF build. Yo, I love this music. Me too, that's why I put it in the playlist. Remember to unset. Optimization flags. Okay, well, I've not touched the optimization flags, so... I gotta stay hydrated, everyone. Well, we are compiling GNU C compiler. So my friend's called GCC group chit chat for some reason though. Whale Tech, can I do anything to help you? Yeah, just stick around. You can stick around. Viewers help me. So just stick around. That's what you. Oh, what? Oh no, I'm calling him now! I'm calling him now! I accidentally called him! I accidentally called him back! No! Anyway, what was I doing? Oh yeah, GCC. And this time I actually have Steam, so I'll be right back. And I'll just go and grab my Steam Deck. Stop calling me! Calls him back a few minutes. Just... I don't know anymore. I'm gonna go grab my Steam Deck. Be right back. I'm back. I have my Steam Deck. Retracted. Surprisingly, not a single peggle was peggled yesterday. Well, we're gonna do at least one. Let's get it with that slow transition. Let me fix that. Load up Steam. Yeah, 4.1 SBU, we can get a little bit of peggle in there. Alright, let's just start up Peggle Nights. What? Oh, hello, Newcastle WX. Peggle Nights, connect. Connect. Oh my gosh, okay, I need to enter in the code. I can try and get Super T-Boy H to watch. I mean, if he wants to, he can join in. That one. Are you using the Aero theme plasma theme? No, I'm not. I just have a transparency on the... Oh gosh. What's going on here? Oh yeah, I should probably mute. Loud. Oh my gosh. Sorry about the laggy music, it's just game streaming. Nice. I'm back. Welcome back. You hate it when you miss and have fire. Yeah. Oh my gosh. And I hate it when I miss the fireball. Have you tried Hyperland? Yes, I have tried Hyperland. It's good, but it's missing some crucial features that I need. Well, that did something. Oh my gosh, that was a good shot. Hello, I will have to go out later, but for now I am here. Well, hello. What's the progress on everything? I am right now compiling GCC. For the second time, past 2 of GCC. Chapter 6.18. Play a game of tic-tac-toe. I'm also building my own LFS install as we speak. Nice. No. Okay, well I can get that. Maybe get a few. I got my Switch Lite. Nice. Oh no! Oh cool, so you've already done the Canadian cross compile? I think I have. Oh yeah, I have. Nintendo Light Switch. Okay, get me out of this. Get me out. Can I... Is my Wi-Fi okay? My router is under my desk. 69,000. What does 69,000 mean? And also, by the way, we got no copyright. That's the score you got. Nice. But anyway, I have some good news to report to you that the last stream did not get a copyright claim. So, for your information, the whole Canadian cross-compiler thing is generally not needed, but it's used so that the compiler doesn't try to link to the libraries on the host. Doesn't try and link to libraries on the host which will not exist on the system you are actually building. That's why the compiler uses AMD 64 LFS as the architecture. Okay, well let's try normal Peggle. God, you know what? I can actually probably just install Peggle. People are mistaking my Xeon as ancient. It was made only in 2014. 2014? Yeah, your Xeon is ancient. Well, not ancient, it's just quite old. The host building things are just AMD 60 tic-tac. Why do you want tic-tac-toe so much? Also, a little peek into my Steam library. I'm literally installing Peggle Extreme on my PC for no reason at all. Can I grab the window? Yep. Oh my gosh. Alright, I think we stressed it out enough. Let's just go into adventure. Oh my gosh, this is not that much better. Okay, yeah, Peggle, just... What are your PC specs? See ya. Alright, see ya. What are your PC specs? Alright, you're gonna go for a little bit. Alright, see you in a bit. What are your PC specs? I have an i3-12100F. It is currently showing. And 32GB of RAM, 500GB random Samsung SSD, and a RX 6400. I am planning on getting an upgrade soon, but that will come later. Getting the upgrade because my video editing is getting kind of slow with my improved. He is still calling me! He is still calling me! Guess I'm just forced to pick up now. Hello? Hello? Is it okay if I put you on speaker for the entire 12 viewers for you to hear? Can you tell me what it is before you say it, just in case it's accidentally? What'd you say? Okay, I trust you with not saying anything. Alright, he's going on speaker. Alright, you're on speaker. Hey, there we go, yes, sub. Anyway, is this all you wanted to call me for?
That's what you wanted to say.
Alright, see ya.
See ya.
Alright. Oh, he just hung up. I think that's all he wanted to say, just sub to Whale Tech. I think that's why he was calling me so many times. He said sub to Whale Tech. Yeah, you should. But don't jig a fly whale. Okay. Yeah, this is not... What am I even saying? I should stop talking. Get that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's just position it correctly. No! Do you know what? Turning off the Steam Deck. Steam? Settings? Oh jeez, I don't want to... Okay, I just showed some stuff. Okay. Good. I didn't show anything. Compatibility. Enable Steam Play for all other titles. You need to restart Steam. Okay, then I'll restart Steam. Let's just have a quick little check on the thing here. Oh my gosh! Perfect timing! It's done! Oh, voice crack. It's done. So make. We need to install GCC. Get the music back. Create a utility sim link. I'm also just going to install both Peggles. Just really quickly. Alright, entering Chroot. Dang it, I was about to play Sonic Adventure DX. Do you know, we could actually play Sonic Adventure DX if you really want me to. Thanks. I was copying a command and hit Super C instead of Control C, and because of Hyperland, I closed everything. Oh my gosh, yeah, that has to be annoying. Wait, what did that just say? This chapter shows you how to build the last missing bits of the temporary system. The tools needed to build the various packages. Now that all circular dependencies have been resolved, the true root environment completely isolated from the host operating system, except for the running kernel to be used for the proper operation of the isolated environments and communication with the running kernel. Okay then, I completely understood what that said. Let's go back. Alright, I'm gonna exit out of LFS. Now we need to run all of these as root. Preparing virtual kernel file systems. My PC specs are Panasonic CF854 with 8 gigs of RAM and with 306 gigabytes. What? Check your LFS, check your LFS, check your LFS. Okay, I'll check my LFS. LFS. Yep, good. Who just... Okay, thank you. Thank you, Steam, for telling me that I have installed a thing. Okay, bind mount. Mounting. If it's not set, it's going to override your system files. Well, bam, right there. It's set. I've mounted the virtual kernel file system in other host systems. Wait, what? I'm actually just going to run this because I don't know. Temp FS mounted. Ah, TCL doesn't want to compile. Alright. True rooting in 3, 2, 1. We don't have true root. Wait a minute, I think I know why. Hey! We're in! I have no name! Nice! What? Chroot? It's chroot from change root. Yeah, I said chroot. Let's go! Okay, so like CH root. I just say chroot. It's a lot easier. No, CH root. Alright, creating CH root. I'm gonna keep calling it chroot. Alright, it's time to create the full directory structure and map. Create a directory. By the way, I have something to say. I'm not installing it on the internal hard drive, the Inspiron anymore. I'm installing it on that external SSD that I installed Arch on last time. Create a regular set of subdirectories. Bam. Is it on bare metal? Yeah, it's on bare metal. I would just think it's not on bare metal. Boom, fast fetch. See, look, host, Inspiron, CPU, bam. And we have everything mounted. It's got my battery, it's got my IP. Wait, why doesn't it expect, what? Call it whatever you want. You can even call it chroot for chroot. IP. Yes, my IP is 192.168.0.85. Okay, directory tree, FHS compliant. Creating. Alright, let's just... You doxed yourself! JK, it's a local IP. Yeah. You should get something like a what? A what? Fast fetch, right, not Neo. I used fast fetch. Anyway, I'm just going to populate all these files, create the etc passwd, the actual password for root. Okay, now we make the groups. Oh no, okay, what if I just ran? think I touched anything. ETC, why don't you just use H-top and B-top instead of near fetch? I use fast fetch. So, and I just prefer just running fast fetch. Oh, it doesn't interface with the network. Well, perfect music. It's the internet. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, let me cap. Let's see if that did anything. This. Oh yeah, peggle. Let's do some peggling. Hold on, where's my phone? There's my phone. Oh, okay, it started on the wrong monitor. Move it. Okay, it's black box. Kill it. Die. 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 Okay, no, that is exiting OBS. Okay then, Peggle just does not like running on this, so... The Vulkan renderer ain't rendering. No. Proton crash out. Yeah, proton crash out. I'm just gonna leave my phone here by my water. I know that sounds terrible, but... Wait, is Peggle a Windows game? Like, does it have Linux native? No, it's, make a CLI Peggle. No! Peggle's on Steam. Yeah, Peggle's on Steam, so it should just work, but it isn't just working. Steam Deck. You need D3D decompiler.dll. I did. No. No. That would be awesome, a Peggle with a NeoVim. Well, I don't use NeoVim, so back to LFS. Anyway, we've done that one. Alright, what's going on here? Okay, it's done. I find Nano's keybinds. I use Micro on my main computer. Pearl. Pearl. Encrypted Peggle files that worked for obfuscated Peggle gameplay. Hidden source code encrypted. To each their own. I learned Vim on my own time, and I must say I am accustomed to it now. I use Micro. I actually have Micro sim linked to. Apparently I don't. I now have Nano sim linked to Micro, so that when something wants me to use Nano, I can just Micro. So this is basically a mix of Helix and Nano. It supports... Alright, thanks. It supports all the... I can control A, control C, control V. I can shift home and... I can control home, control end, home end. Do you have Fuzzy Finder? No. Well, anyways, yeah, Micro. It's just a text editor. You can Alt G for key bindings. Wait, Micro has tabs? Anyway, let's get out of Micro and go back onto here. Pearl's done. And my expector's broken. Cool. Yes, someone that should be ignored. The Y to complete paste and that's global process. Crap, I'm late. What happened? Oh, I'm on chapter 7. I'm on chapter 7, 7.10. I'm in the true root environment and I'm right now compiling Python. That's where we're at now. And we also, if we go into home, I've done everything from here all the way down to here. I wish I could use NeoVim better, I like it. You still have the Mandriva VM. No, I do not have the Mandriva VM. I deleted it. Because I don't use it, really. Although Open Mandriva might be fun to have, but I'll reinstall it when I need it. Besides, I only needed that VM for LFS anyway. Copy variables and letters and lines. The commands are just wild. Have you tried Athena? It's trash in my opinion. What is... Cannot find the SSL module. Well, that's just saying. Athena OS. I'm gonna look that up. Athena OS. What is this? Dive into a new pen testing experience. Link to the Chaotic and Nix packages repository, one of the biggest and most updated. Coming from Arch and Nix OS. And let me just check. No tabs and 4 spaces, no debate, even though that OS is cooked. I want to try Arch. And I thought it was playing staff role there, but no, it's playing. I was about to say Super Mario 3D World, but no, this is Galaxy 2. Anyway, Python requires a OpenSSL. Yes, don't care. So I've just done make install. Now it's time for this one. Not Galaxy 2. Galaxy 1. Galaxy. Whatever. Wait until chapter 8. Man, I just woke up. Bro, I was just playing New Super 2 on my 3DS. Now we're bringing up Mario. Yes. Anyway, I'm gonna check back on the Mac. Still frozen. Shut it off. Okay, perfect timing. EPC. Why EPC? What? Coincidence? I think not. Why is the kernel the last step when it's the most important thing of a Linux system? Well, I don't know. Util Linux. The file hierarchy system. Whatever. Configure. For it can crash and ruin your dreams. For like line reader and in tabbers and detabbers, for it can crash and ruin your dreams. After 3 weeks and 400 packages. It's already been an hour? It felt like 20 minutes! That felt like 20... Whoa. Warning, 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 warning. Fine. I've installed that. Postmarket OS compiles the kernel as the first thing it does. Just Hyperland cooked on in NVIDIA. What? RM. Wait, what did I just... RM. However, the tools directory is no longer needed. A user around a gigabyte. Delete that. Hello again, mates. Hello, Void Explorer. LFS Gen 2 must be the most painful install ever. Actually, it's only 56 minutes. Oh yes, it was painful. Wait, since Postmarket OS is just Linux, Hyperland on a phone! I watched every package compile with my eyes. 56 minutes rounded to the nearest hour is 1 hour. I'm close enough. I have done that! You can get to do Hyperland on a phone. I don't know. Anyway, we are grabbing. Alright, since you're so eager to be used, little USB stick, we're gonna use this USB stick. I think I need the hub. I think I need the USB hub. But Wayland doesn't have a workaround. Why? Alright, we're busting out the good old Ugreen hub. Oh my gosh, there we go. And we have Win98. Okay, do I have KDE Partition Manager? I have KDE Partition Manager. Password. Oh my gosh. Okay, SanDisk. We need to make a new partition table, GPT. Then we need to, kind of want to maximize this. We need to make a new ext4. Backup. Everyone. Bring a sponsor. Bring a sponsor. Ugreen. And it worked. I actually use Ugreen's USB dock and their tripod. Doing a bit of bringasing around here. Yeah, we're doing a bit of bringasing. Alright, give me this. No, yeah, we're fine. So what do I need to do? So we need to make a backup. So exit. I executed as root. Do you know what? I'm just gonna... I want to know because people keep saying that in order to get the apps you need a terminal. Like, is there another way using an app store or using the internet? Well, yeah. Those are both ways. Those are two ways to use to get apps. I cannot talk. You could use the actually good graphical app stores like KDE's Discover to find your applications. Like if I wanted to download this app, I can just click install and it would install. Or the internet. Arch user repository, that's still the terminal. Also, it uses Flatpaks! What's wrong with Flatpaks? We hate Flatpaks! What's wrong with Flatpaks? I hate GUI. I love GUI. No, but seriously, what's wrong with Flatpaks? Let me try LibreWolf once. Cool. They kind of waste space. Yeah, that's the one thing I don't like about Flatpaks. Curvy packs. Yeah, they do kind of waste space though. But anyway, let's leave this for a good 15 minutes. And let's peggle. In fact, I'm actually going to turn off my second display. I'm going to turn it off. Oh. Keep it. Yep, you can still see everything. Sorry, console, like the KDE console. It's like 20 megabytes. But no! Anyway. Peg. Oh gosh, we have a couple dropped frames here. Okay, now bring back my second display. Bring it back. Oh, yeah. We're tearing. We are tearing. What? Why did that just go out? Oh yeah, display configuration reverted. Keep it. Anyway, now we have windowed Peggle! Alright, what icon pack are you using? The 5x4 display. Alright, let's see, where did we go? No, I'm okay. I'm installing 150 megabyte KD. Oh, hello, 34 hertz. Thank you for subscribing. Why does your second display matter for launching the game? Because it goes on my second display and I'm recording the primary display. I don't like Alacrity. I choose Kitty, then I realise Kitty is trash too. Kitty only goof for rice. What icon pack are you using again? I am using this icon. It just moved my panel. It just moved my flipping panel. Move my panel back. Come on, give me my panel back. Panel, move the panel. Move the panel. There we go, now we're back. I use this icon pack called, bring that back here. Colors and themes. I need icons. I use this icon pack called Vivid Dark Icons. Oh my god, that menu is so bad and crusty. I'm actually gonna... Here. Give me the panel. Auto manage. Menu. Now I need to get new. Download. Menu. Launch. That one. And then I replace this one with that one. And boom! Now I have my original. I find it funny that the first pass of binutils defines your SBU, but the second pass takes 1.6 SBUs. I know, I never liked it. Nerd font, mono Ubuntu, trust. I find it fun. Fun 3DS fact. Did you know that the 3DS one's an OS called Horizon? It's not based off anything. Also, have you measured the length of one SBU on your machine? Yeah, it's around 53 seconds to a minute. Anyway, let's do Peggle. We're starting from scratch because I can't be bothered to transfer over my save file. For me, it's exactly 1 minute and 4 seconds every time. Well, for me, on my computer, it's more often than not 53 seconds. And one time, I think I was a little bit slow. So it was 1 minute. But still 1 minute, that's pretty... To get an estimated time of how long something will take to compile, I can just directly... What is your CPU? I'm running on an i5 4th gen. I'm running on an i5 1135 G7. So an 11th gen laptop i5. On the computer that I'm installing LFS on my main computer, I am running an i3 12100. That is loud. I'm running an i3 12100F on my main computer. Nice slide. Intel is a joke. Yeah, Intel is a joke, but when I built my PC a while ago, I chose LGA 1700. I chose the worst LGA 1700 processor, and I think that was a pretty good choice because it gave me a pretty good upgrade path. But 1700 is dead, so yeah, looking back at my part list, I really should have chose AM4 or AM5. We're just gonna keep playing Peggle, see how far we get in Peggle until like most Intel sockets. Yeah, except 1 to 2 generations and it's dead. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep playing Peggle until this finishes its backup. The computers runs everything well then, so I don't mind. Yeah, AMD. I only have a couple of computers with AMD. All the rest of my computers are Intel. The only computers I have with AMD is my compact CQ2000, which you will never see on the channel, and the Aspire X1430. I was going to say you are slowing down your compile by playing Peggle, but I forgot it's compiling on a separate machine. Intel used to be good until the recent vulnerable discovery in one of their chips that every computer with Intel hardware is susceptible to a hack, even with the computer turned off. Wait, really? I need to... is there a microcode update that fixes that, or a BIOS update, or what? Speaking of updates, emerge AVDN world. Oh, it went to sleep. I think all CPUs have them. Design. Oh heck, not the Gen 2 updates. Well, we're doing the Gen 2 updates. Just really quickly. Oh, nothing. So that's the one thing Gen 2 has over Arch. There's, well, I mean, for some people, it's good. For some people, it's not. It's not as many frequent updates. It's not as cutting edge as something like Arch, but it's still pretty cutting edge. You mean Gen 2? Are you an exploit researcher? Nice. Nice. Okay, I just realized we really need to catch up. I have 3 BSD up on LFS, Windows 11, and Windows 10 at the I have 3 server and a spare server for projects. I'm scheduling next is Nix for the file layout. I've never actually tried Nix. Should I try Nix? Okay, I need to get a free ball. And I got a free ball. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Missed. No! Come on! And by the way, it is still compressing. Like 30% of the population use BSD without realizing. Export the skid, drop the files, and nuke that. I'm dual booting macOS 10.15, which is BSD because it's based off the BSD kernel in Windows 10. BSD is actually, should I try BSD? If so, what BSD should I try? After exploited, it's also permanent. Okay, didn't get the one peg that I wanted to get, but that's fine. Let's get a new ball bucket. Come on. Alright, let's just get rid of that blue peg because that one's annoying. The BSD package is so convenient. The PKG is so convenient. No installation needed. I ran it on my grandma's PC in 2015 once and it ran well. I also tried SNES emulation with the main, but that was a mixed bag. Oh, every ARM CPU has an unfixable exploit vulnerability. It's still going, by the way. Well, it did warn me that it was gonna take quite a while. Nice. Okay, nice. Six things I hate about my Mac is that the SD card slot is broken. It doesn't recognize anything. It just fell. I rarely use the nerd emoji, but nerd emoji. Where can I get a nick? I don't know. I've never bought a nick before, so I don't know where to get them. Oh my gosh, double guide. Still not. Yeah, the super guide is really helpful. I have free BSD and I think server TS140. Yeah, I've heard from a few people, BSD is actually really good. Even FreeBSD. Yo, if there's a 16-bit CPU that has the instruction set for 32-bit one with necessary patches, would it be possible to run Gentoo on it? What are projects that you would recommend that is harder than Linux from scratch? I don't know. FreeBSD is so reliable. Follow an N commando steps and compile LFS on Windows XP. Oh. Yep. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, there we go. That was good. Let's try and... Yeah, it's exactly what I meant to do. I need to watch his 2-hour video about it. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That was... Wow. That was good. Alright, let's do some multi-ball. Oh my gosh! Triple play. But set the art to the third stage to the PS3. I haven't been looking at chat for a little bit. How did you get into this conversation about the PS3? By the way, it's... Oh, yeah. Oh, it just stopped. Oh, my God. Oh, my... Oh, yeah, we're back. I was just looking at OBS for a second. I thought, oh, my gosh, you can't see anything that I'm doing. But no, you're good. Okay. Don't. I'm not even talking anymore, I'm just focusing on Peggle. Yay, compile text wall is flying. I love it when my compiler text wall flies. I hate the alien and cat and Peggle. Their ability is so... I hacked them! I hate them! Well, I don't know. This game looks so deep. Yes, it is. It is still compressing, by the way. terrible. Also, that was mouth. Mouth. What am I saying? I don't know. We compile text wall. I'm playing Revolution Idol. Oh. Oh no, I lost where I was in the LFS book. Check your, if you're reading it online, check your browsing history. Oh, yeah, nice. Chapter 8. Okay, do you know what? After this stage, I'm taking a break because I feel I need one. By the way, I set up a little thing with my breaks so that when I go on. How do you have the categories in the LFS book? I am following the latest book. I think it's because I'm reading it online. It gives you the chapter numbers. Oh my gosh. Get it? And there we go. I'm taking a break. See ya. Oh, no, not working.
Hey, welcome to this. So, Arch Linux, it's a pretty common theme of my channel. And yeah, so someone suggested that I install the very first version of Arch Linux from, wait, when was it? 2002, 11th of March 2002. So yeah, we're going to be installing the very first Arch Linux version from 2002. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here we go, we're on the laptop, and I found this really helpful guide on GitHub on how to do this. So installing Arch Linux 0.1 with X11, first up, we need an image. Alright, now we have an image, so let's open up Virtual Machine. I don't have it. And now we have Virtual Machine Manager. Unable to connect. Make sure an appropriate libvirt daemon is running. Well done. Alright, I enabled one. And alright, there we go, LXC. So let's make a new virtual machine. Oh my gosh, this is different. I want an operating system container. What? Oh wait, is it because I don't have QE? Oh yes, I don't have QEMU. Alright, well I did it. Let's go to this connection. Disconnect. Oh, yeah, there we go. So let's make a new forward. Yep, that'll do, that'll do. Alright, I've messed with everything. Begin. Oh, what is this? Lilo 22.2 boot. And oh, enter. Alright, we're booting. Alright, well, we're off to an amazing start. We got a kernel panic. That's just great. Alright, so it says the tutorial has been tested on VirtualBox. So let's try it on VirtualBox. And here we go, here's VirtualBox. So let's make a new virtual machine, Arch Linux 0.1. Set my ISO to that one. Set it back to 32-bit. Yes. Let's go 16 gigs next. Finish. Let's see, what can we change in the settings? The storage. Alright, controller SATA, can we make a new... Why is it all great? Oh, yeah, because we already have an IDE controller. Okay, and we're gonna start. Oh, okay, I'll run this. come on. Alright. Alright, we're logging back in. Let's see if this works. VirtualBox. Start. Oh, yes. Alright, Lilo. I don't care. Enter. Booting the kernel. Nice. I do not have a right control button. I do not have a right control button. I need to change this. Host key combo. Control Alt. Alright, there we go. Hey, now it works. Alright, now it's big enough so that you can actually see. So we're going to log in as root, clear the screen, and cfdisk/dev/HDA. Yes. Now we're going to make a new primary. Right, yes. Oh my gosh, this is old. I just realised. This is so old. Okay, bootable, quit. Make. What? What is that file system? REISERFS/dev/HDA1. Attention, you should reboot. Yes. Alright, we're back, so we'll log back in as root and make dir-p pacman touch.db. Install world/mnt. Okay. Oh, done? Okay. Pacman-a-r. Can I just do AR? No, I can't. File system. Cannot extract. Okay, well, I guess it already installed. So, make dir-p/mnt/user/source. Wait, what are we compiling? I have no idea. Oh, okay, I think we're compiling the kernel. I think we're compiling the flipping kernel. tar zxvf. Yep, we're compiling the kernel. Oh, I think we're in. I think we are rooted in. So cd user source Linux, and then make menu config on. Oh, we're in here. So we need to enable the following options. Code maturity level of what? Never seen this. Oh my gosh, but this kernel is ancient. Version 2.4.18. It says from 2002, so anyway, that one. Accept. Yes, save. Make dep. Oh, I think we're compiling. I think we are compiling the kernel. Wow, this is actually going really fast. Oh my gosh, it's done. Anyway, make bz image. There we go. Well, that was fast. Make modules install. cp arch bz image. cp system.map. vi. I don't know how to use Vim. I have no idea how to use Vim. Quit Vim. I entered the bootloader. Oh my gosh, I knocked my camera. Lilo. Change root dev disks disk 0 part 2 to dev disks disk 0 part 1. Wait, do I have to insert? I don't have an insert button. How do I insert? How do I insert in Vim? So I press the I button. Okay. I. Insert. Okay, part 1. Escape. Now I command WQ. There we go. So we have written that. Lilo. Oh wait, not a number. What?
Then he found he typed 2 instead of 1 and fixed it. Screw the hogs differ.
Added arch. Add these lines to your fstab config. Okay. So we can dev disk part 1. Alright, there we go. Escape. Right. And reboot. Oh, yep, there we go. Rebooting. Oh, yes. Lilo boot. Oh, it just did it. my gosh. Come on. Well, I think we found our problem. Alright, let's see. Does this work? Oh, yep, we got the Lilo boot menu. And we're booting. Oh my gosh! Look at that! We've installed Arch Linux 0.1. Okay, no way, I haven't.
Okay, I'm back. Where's my phone? I'm back. This thing is still not done. So I'm thinking of just... I'm actually going to check on this. What? Okay, no. Cancel. That's literally just extracting it to there. Alright, do you know what? cp-r/to run media whale run no media. Oh, it's literally just /media. Whale Techo 7 backup. And then LFS. Do you know what? Maybe. And then I can see. I just found something out. You can compile a whole package by just appending its commands in one big and line, and if the test fails, it just won't continue. Peggle time. Jesus, loud. Oh yeah, working. That's working. Loud. Oh, yes. Alright, now we have 11 balls. No. No. No, no, no. Can LFS run X11 in Wayland? Yes. It's in BLFS. Beyond Linux from scratch. And I said it Wayland. Wayland, same thing. That one. I did not mean to shoot there. Hold on, let me see. Oh yeah, I typed that into Microsoft Sam just to. And hey, we're getting our viewers back, so that's gotta love that. Let's check. Any copyright claims for using? No. Let me check analytics. I only have 19.6 watch hours. So if I keep going for another hour, then I might get a bit more, and that will give me a bit more.
Bin utils.
I have no idea what I'm doing. That's frozen. No, it's not. I think it's pulling from, I think it's pulling, the clock is pulling from that NTP server I chose way too fast, so I think it's timing out and causing, yeah. I'm not recording this just to save. What is this? You can probably even connect, try to build LFS inside Minecraft using the Open Computers Reimagined mod. Allows you to run Linux. Do you know what I could probably do? There's a mod called MCVM Computers. And it's basically, oh my gosh, I just realised I have no balls in Peggle. Yeah, so there's this mod called MCVM Computers. It's for 1.16, but should be fine. So anyway, the mod, it's basically just a VirtualBox front end for Minecraft. And I think that there's Java for Linux. There's Java for Linux? What do you mean? I personally think the VM computers is kind of pointless because it uses VirtualBox. That's what I said. It's a VirtualBox front end. Yeah, good point. But if you just want to get Windows running in Minecraft, or even Minecraft running in Minecraft, if you're that adventurous, then, and don't want to deal with absolutely terrible performance, MCVM Computers is actually a pretty good mod. I've used it before. You build a computer in Minecraft and you run a computer in Minecraft, and it's fun. I was not talking about open computers. I think you can go all the way up to like a couple gigs. Vim, 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 Vim. We're doing Vim. We're copying over Vim. Although when it comes time to do Vim, I'm not doing Vim. Why does this look like Debian? Like the Debian swirl. Or sorry, should I say Debina? Okay, please stop. I'm trying to currently compile Sonic Adventure on an LMDE virtual machine so I can TAS it. Minecraftception. Discord too. Yeah. I think it's one of you typed Debina. And I'm just kind of Seption. I give up. It was me. Yeah, you typed in Dabina in the chat on accident and just became. Yup. Yesterday. Yup. Dabina. Why do I have a build directory in my build directory? I don't know, you probably made a build directory in your build directory. So, you fix that. What is happening? I don't know. Wake up. There we go. How far did we get so far? Well, I am currently copying over stuff. My whole source code file structure got messed up or something. Well, better fix it. I remember when I did the Arch 0.1 video, I compiled the really old kernel, and it was fun and fast because I was running it in VirtualBox on a relatively fast computer. Of course, this computer that I'm installing LFS on is faster than it. Whaletech, here's a recommendation from NC Commander's channel, Streambot, or whatever it's called, as a function to show the status in the chat. It periodically, like every 20 minutes, sends a status. You could probably code up a bot that does that. Just link it up to a quick Google account, and there you go, I have a bot. What am I even doing? Alright, let's try. There we go. No, it already exists. Let's try Peggle Knights. Streamlabs. Okay, let's start with Peggle Knights. Wish my old i5 4th gen. I wish your old i5 4th gen good luck. So that doesn't fry itself. Well, you're the one who's frying it. I mean, yeah. Anyway, copying over GCC. Yeah, once I finish this backup, then I'm gonna continue. I don't think we'll have that long left in the stream. So how long have I been going for? I've been going for nearly 2 hours. Oh yeah, yeah, good. Xeons. What am I doing? Next. And how's LFS going? I'm not doing anything with LFS right now. I'm just copying it. It told me to do a backup, so I'm doing a backup. And this has been going for the last half hour, so. Oh my god, 100 gigs? Oh yeah, I forgot you can fine-tune your shot. No, I moved my mouse slightly. One for Dabina and one for LFS. I did that last time. I did one virtual drive for Open Mandriva and one for LFS. Dabina. Yeah, we are not. Yeah, Dabina is not. We need to add that to the Whale Tech stream starter pack. Do you know what? Where's the starter pack? Okay, well, we have the starter pack, so let's get to Bina. Let's put it here. Make it smaller so that we can actually fit some text. Make it black. Dabina. Alright, well the starter pack has now been updated. Where is it? Here's your starter pack. Don't forget about the chat getting bored and talking about Linux on consoles that should run Linux. What browser is that? What browser is what? Is this? Okay. This, image viewer, it's Green View. My web browser is Florp. No. I have no idea what I'm doing. Peggle music is too loud. Okay, I'll lower down the Peggle music. Alright, it's about to get loud. Alright, no, yeah, we're good. Did the backup fit? And no, it's still going. It's still going. That's why I'm taking breaks, because I don't really want to keep playing Peggle for this long. Normally, I would just run off, go do some other stuff, maybe film a video, but can't do that here. Does CP go in alphabetical order? Does CP copy in alphabetical order? Hey! Aced! I aced it. Aced. Hold on, let me check up at this map. Do you know what? I'm not even gonna do a break. I'm actually just gonna go on the capture, turn on the music, and just leave it. Okay! That's way too loud. Okay, well I need food. I'm running the GCC, oh no, the GCC test. Okay, I'm not looking. Okay, health. Just gonna put this bed here and set my spawn point. Okay, yeah, I'll turn off one of them. I'll turn off the background music. Nobody is responsible for the loss of items. Bloody, bloody. Oh, hello. Let's just get some bread. Okay, nice. We are generating. Oh, way. Give me 5 minutes. Hello there. Hey. Allow signing. Oh no, it's crackling. Anyway, let's check on this kelp farm. How's OBS? Oh my gosh. Alright, well let's harvest kelp. Because last time I was on the server, I made a kelp farm, so... Oh. Yep, there we go. Kelp. Now I last played when the first LFS stream ever was when I played. Yeah, the first LFS stream. Your OBS is very delayed. Oh, that's just YouTube live latency. It's been 2 months. It's been 2 months. Ah. Alright, oh yeah, there's a bed there. It is still backing up. Yeah, anyone find my blue bed? Oh, yep, we're getting a few people. Alright, let's see. What was... Hello, hello. Let me actually check your, Let me actually check what you wanted us to do in news. No, in general. Was it in general? Whoever can find my blue bed near a nether portal, near a snowy area, will be rewarded with a mending golden axe. Near a snowy area? Golden axe. Follow. Hold on, where are you? And take you there. Where are you? Because here it has mending. Oh, yep, there you are. Is there land claim on this server? No, this is vanilla. Where is anyone? Oh, we're over here. This is a recipe for griefing and item stealing. Was that a rule? It's been a while since I've played on this server that I don't even remember the... Oh gosh. That I don't even remember the rules. And I don't have... Let me see. Yeah, no, I don't have op. I don't have op on the server. Oh, hello. Wait, hold on. What are the rules of the server? No stealing or griefing. Yes, stealing or griefing is against the rules. Neato, we have 5 people. I think this is the most the server has ever had. Oh yeah, it's... Like, do you have core protector or something? I don't have any mods. I have no mods. Alright, netherrack. Then why is it on fabric? Because I found that it's more stable than the regular Minecraft server. Guys, I'm a builder. What should I build? Jeez. No! Iron axe. Iron axe. If you just want to run vanilla. Oh gosh, where are you? There you are. That's what 2B2T is on. And it multi-threads. I'll consider it. Next time I have to redeploy my Minecraft server, I'll try. Up. Oh, no. Oh my gosh. Food. Oh yeah, food. Don't really have that much food on me. Also, what is the server host hardware? Because I'm a builder that builds 2,000 farms. Don't build 2,000 farms here. Don't build 2,000 farms. I think it does say in the rules, don't intentionally try to lag the server. So don't build 2,000 farms. When on Linux, my shaders run great, but on Windows 11, it runs like 2 frames per second. Oh, yup, snowy area. This is what he was talking about. Do I have leather boots? No, I need to get some leather boots. Yeah, this would have taken much longer in the overworld. Yeah, I think there is a yellow bed at spawn. I'm playing vanilla Minecraft with fabulously optimized. What does that mod do? What does it do? Oh no. It makes a skim. Oh my gosh, I do not have leather boots. So, there we go. We're good. Let's check on the copy. We are still going. For builders. And it makes block place easier. Well, it does say, in the rules, basic, anything that affects gameplay is not allowed. Whale, where are you? I'm with Oddbike at these coordinates, if you're watching my stream. I mean, it doesn't, well, if it doesn't affect, gameplay and doesn't give you an unfair advantage, then, yeah, that's fine. Oh. Oh, yes, smokers. They, Oh, no, I need to put in the report shop. You can have it, thanks. The only advantage I have is an easier time building, which I don't think is critical. Yeah, I don't think that's nothing, so you're good. Wow, your POV is heavily tinted. Oh yeah, because I have shaders. Shaders. When the sun sets, shaders tint. Hold on, let me just go find some... Just go slaughter some sheep really quick. Wait, no, I don't think I can say that on stream. Shaders seem cool, but my PC would just die. Sorry. I'm on 6th gen Intel with Intel HD graphics. I tried running it on 11th gen on this exact computer that I'm installing LFS on. I tried running shaders on that and it gave me literally 2 frames per second. I'm on an RX 6400. Oh my gosh. On my way back. Okay. I need a tree. I died. Yeah, I saw in chat. That's literally what it's called. Well, there's a forest over this way. So a potato. Oh, yeah, potato preset. I think I have it. I think I have my shaders on pretty much low. Potato could be good. I'm actually going to bring up F3. Does PvP client count as cheat? What does a PvP client do? If it affects gameplay, it gives you an unfair advantage over everyone else, then make swords smaller. Fire smaller. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Textures. If it's just textures, then it's fine. Also, for proof I'm running Gen 2, look at the kernel in the GPU. Yeah, that's fine. Mods like Optifine are fine. Yeah, I did say mods like Optifine are actually fine. Oh no. I just remembered it's night, so spiders are not passive. Where is this? Where are we? Ow. Make a really quick bed. Guess what? What? EP time. Yes, sleep, please. Oh gosh. Why are you so bad at aiming? He will actually give you a little look on the capture if you want. Hello. Here, let me take a look here. Let me take a look at live chat. Also, why do you have chat reporting on your server? It's not intentional. Delayed. Your one is really delayed. Of course it's going to be delayed. Well, Tech, you should host a RetroArch NetPlay server. My bad. Yeah. Do we even need to do this backup? Well, I mean, we're already flying through, so... Okay, I'll leave. Yeah, I'll leave my bed. Oh, whoa, yep. He's back. Look at how close an arrow was to hitting me. Look at how close. Got a spare wool? I can grab a spare wool. Gonna go, I'm hiding in a home. Okay, this home. Holler. Okay, I got it. I got it. I got wool. I got wool. I got wool. Just one? One. Okay, where are you? Oh, yep, there he is. There they are. Thank you, no problem. Well, never mind. Ow. Yep, there we go. What? Okay then. Please add noise. Yes. Please add a noise floor. So anyway, where is this? Dire Docs would be great. Have you not watched the last stream? I would get in copyright trouble if I used Dire Docs. It's a joke. I'm kidding. Yeah. What was that? Oh, it was a goat. Sleep. Everybody sleep. Oh, no. Why are we encoding in 30 FPS? For players sleeping to 0. I don't have access to console. I do not have access to console. Oh my gosh. How do you not have access to console on your own server? Oh yeah, it's because I'm running it through a System D service. I'm running it through a System D service and I can't interact with the System D service to my knowledge, so... Come on. I don't know though. Oh, whoa. Thank you. There's some way to inject commands into it. Well, I don't know how. Oh. Good. Anyway, where is this bed? Oh, there's the bed. Blue bed. I'm gonna get some stone and have a look in the web. Okay, well, I've been going for 2.5 hours now. This backup is taking... This took an hour so far. So, I'm going to end the stream here. Yeah, I'm going to end the stream here. So, I'm going to continue... soon. How soon should I continue? Tomorrow? Oh, yeah, no, not tomorrow. Next weekend, I'll continue. Okay, yeah, bye, YouTube. Right. Soon. Trademark. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to stop the stream now. So thank you everyone for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a... Thank you, Skeleton, for interrupting me. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you have something to say, leave a comment. And if you want to see more, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.